All right, guys. I just want to quickly go over the trade that we just took this morning at 9:30 at market open, and currently, I mean, right now it's 9:37 a.m. It's a few minutes after, but it literally hit take profit, tagged us in, and hit take profit in that same 5 minute candle. So, what I was looking at was on the 4 hour. Let me just take off the executions. On the 4 hour, I still clearly saw bullish order flow being respected. I saw that we traded into this 4 hour order block a few times, so about once, twice, and then a third time at NFP, which was at 8:30. Then here, dropped down to the 1 hour. I saw that we had inverted. Let me take that off because that's not correct. I saw that we had inverted this tiny little fair value gap here. Let me just extend it and then fix it. I saw that we inverted that fair value gap on the 1 hour after inverting this one and this one to the downside. We inverted this one to the upside. So that right there gave me indications that we should be looking for buys even during NFP. Obviously, I'm not going to execute any trades during high impact news like that. I have before. I don't mind holding trades or placing trades before or during high impact news, but not NFP. NFP is just like a whole different monster. But I saw this 1 hour being inverted, and that indicated kind of like some bullish price action for me. Normally, I would have waited for a liquidity sweep, but we did have it at 8:30 with NFP. We took out London highs and London lows, and we swept these lows here while again respecting that 4 hour order block. So I didn't really need another liquidity sweep because it just did both sides. Then we dropped down on the 5 minute here. On the 5 minute, I've been waiting, or I was waiting for this high to be broken so I can see a shift in market structure. But after 8:30, so after NFP, we came up aggressively, we came back down, and we've just been kind of consolidating upwards. We spent almost a whole hour in here just ranging, and then 9:30 came down to this 5 minute order block, which is where I executed. So I came down into that 5 minute order block, and I said that I would have wanted to get in the trade at 9:30 if the candle, because we closed up here, if the candle trades back down into the 5 minute order block and then buy up from there. So I did get into it. I'll put my executions back on. I did get into it at 21,880.25 with 6 contracts in the micro. Got out at 21,950, which is pretty much exactly where it's at. 21,950 flat. And that was a little bit less than a 1 to 1.5. I wanted to target a 1 to 1.5. I don't know why it was that little, but whatever. It's not a big deal. We ended up making 832 on both of my funded accounts. We are up 200 on each. We did take a loss yesterday, which put us in the negative. But today we got that all back and then some. So that was pretty much it. Everything was pretty clear to me, so I just executed manually on this order block. I took the same thing on my TradeStation account. This is my personal account, $838 on this one. And yeah, that's really it. Quick trade, 5 minutes in and out. Amazing, amazing, amazing trade. Barely any drawdown here on this one. I got in a little bit better than here. But yeah, that's really it. Peace.